guys, welcome back to my channel Free Happy Gamer, and today we are playing Roblox Bee Swarm and it's saying to claim a hive. I will claim this one. It's saying open the egg menu and drag an egg to the honeycomb. Let me open that and drag it, and I will put it over here. Yes. A basic bee, nice. To make honey, collect pollen from the flower fields. Okay. Come on, my bee. Let me collect all the pollen from the flower. And my bee is collecting too. Hi. My pollen, I have 122 pollen. And right now I have this shovel. There's a shop also there too. Let me collect it all. And collect it. Let me go there. And it's saying polar container full. Go to the hive and make the money. Let's make money. The honey. Let me put the volume a little bit down. It's making, and I got 160 honey, and I know how to play this game. There's a bear that will give you tasks, and we have to crack the honey, and I have 200 honey, and there's a bear over there that will give you tasks, and it will give a epic honey egg, and we have to hatch it, and that's the game's work. Let me take a task from the black bear. Talk to the black bear. Winter in the swamp simulator is the best time for honey making. That's because of all the helpful decorations us bear put up around the map. They aren't just for looks, they help the beekeepers make more honey. Every year I put a vertical to motivate everyone, but as you can see, it's looking generic. If you and your bees help me decorate it, we will all be able to admire it. Once it's done, you will see why it's so helpful. Collect 750 red pollen, collect 5. I know that. And we can put the transport in over here. Yeah. Let's go first here. Collect it all. What are honey tokens? I don't know. I will be over there when I will get done. Let me pause it. Okay guys, it would take me forever to work with this server. So I thought that I should buy another thing to do at the shop. Let me take. Oh, I don't have no that. I don't have that. No, I have not. No, I don't have. Oh my god, 2,200 honey. I don't have that much honey to buy these things. Oh, I cannot speak. So I will see you when I will have 800. Bye. 1000 to buy. 1000 honey to buy the thing I needed from the shop. Let me go and tap. Now next thing I need is this bag. I need this bag, but I need money for it, so I am going the video again and do it. Okay guys, I have $1,328 and no, I mean honey. So let's buy the bag. I have lots of money. Let me buy this. And let's see, I can buy anything else. Oh my god, how will I get that much money, bro? I don't know, but I am still working on the tasks. I have done through this. I have completed the honey tokens. Right now, I am not still done with the tasks. I will meet you when I will be done with my tasks. Okay guys, I am not still completed by my task. So I was buying the egg, so we can buy an egg from here, and it's 1,000 rupees. You have to buy that, and I buy that. Let me go over there. And open the egg menu. Where's the egg? There's it. Pick up and put that. Yes. Oh, this is a rare bee, bro. I am completed my task with this. So I will see you when I will be completed by my. So guys, finally my tasks are completed. So let me go to the black fair or whatever. I buy the egg too. Let me click there. Oh, look at that. I think it will throw me over there or something. Let me go click there. Here you go. Your tasks are completed. They gave me only 100 honey. Who gives 100 honey, bro? Black function. Oh my god. That's an easy step. Tap to make honey. Tap. Let me go to the sunflower field. I think this is the sunflower field because it has sunflowers. And my bees will collect for me and I will do nothing. Why the rare bee is crying, bro? Why are you crying? There That was a easy task. I don't know what these do. And completed, I think. No, it's not completed. Let me go to the black bear again. Guys, the task is done to collect 100 pollen from the sunflower field. So let's go to the bear again. Where I am here. Nice. Oh, he gave me 200. Why? I got 1,000. He gave me only 200. I don't need to read. I will check from the task bar. Oh, quest fully complete. I got 2,500 golden gems. Let's go. Okay. First, I need a new thing to cut the pollen over city. Let me go to the shop. Okay, guys, I am at the shop and it's saying to buy for 2,200. Why not? I buy it. I have 1,400 left. Have to leave the shop. What I have to do? Where I am doing? Oh, lags again. This game is too laggy. Where is the deadly field? I don't know. Let me find the deadly field and then I will. So guys, I have found the deadly field. So let me grab the pollen from here and let me go back to the bear. Okay guys, he gave me 200 pollen and let's get another task. Get 500 pollen. Okay guys, my task is completed. Let's go to the black bear. Hi black bear. I think he gave me an egg, a legendary egg. I don't think so he gave me. Let's check if he didn't give me the egg. So okay guys, that's it for this video. I didn't play the whole game. There are more things to discover. I need 5 bees to go over there. So don't forget the target that I will reveal my name on 50 subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and what